Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the usual suspects, and to the newcomers. Today's aircraft is a Corsair International 747-312 airliner that was used to take French and European vacationers to the French Caribbean islands. Stay tuned to learn its 25 plus years history that takes us nearly all over the world. This aircraft was powered by 4 Pratt Whitney JT9D series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 54,750 pounds force or 243 kilonewtons. Each aircraft typically carried around 400 passengers in a 3-class layout, but that could be increased to 660 when needed. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 490 knots or 907 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 6,300 nautical miles or 11,700 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 747-312 was delivered to Singapore Airlines on June 30th of 1983, with the initial livery being the black and gold cheatline and titles used during that period of time. Additionally, this aircraft received the Big Top name, as did all Singapore Airlines 747-300s. The initial registration for this aircraft was November 117 Kilo Charlie. The airplane would serve the tiny Southeast Asian nation for 12 years. The aircraft wouldn't have to travel far for its next operator. In 1995, Ansett Australia took over operations of this aircraft. They gave it a new livery and a new Australian registration of Victor Hotel India November Kilo. The aircraft would only stay in Australia for 3 years, after which it would return to the United States and be placed in storage at the Las Vegas International Airport. A new lease on life arrived in the form of French vacation airliner Corsair in 1999. The aircraft received the airline's 1990s era livery along with the slightly provocative combination registration of Foxtrot-Golf Sierra Echo X-Ray and the red lipstick emblazoned on the fuselage. The aircraft would be mainly used for French vacationers to the French Caribbean territories. Starting in 2005 and lasting until 2009, the aircraft would go through a series of owners and operators. These included Air Atlantic Icelandic, which owned the aircraft for most of this period, even if they weren't the operator. The registration changed again to Tango Foxtrot Alpha Mike Kilo. Between Air Atlanta Icelandic, Excel Airways, and GMG Airlines, the aircraft stayed with a mostly white fuselage with some paintwork going onto the tail. The aircraft would eventually be stored in Kuala Lumpur Airport in 2009 and ending its scrapping in 2011. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft released in 2003. As you can see here, several manufacturers have produced this model in Corsair and Ansett Australia guises over the years in various scales. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.